everyone, Tracy here from Dancers UK. This week we will learn a routine to Dynamite by BTS. Here are the moves in case you want to have a practice at home. First move for the verse, we go and step, and then you bring up your knees, and step, add some arms, bring it, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. That's the first section. Then we move into the pre-chorus, and it works your arms, your bicep curls. So we go 1, 2, and then a double. So we go single, clap, single, double. Single, clap. That's the move for the pre-chorus. Then it goes into the chorus. Your feet are just going from one to the next. If I turn to the side, you'll be able to see it a bit clearer. That's all you're doing with your feet, popping one knee at a time. The arms are going across the body and out towards the back. So they're slightly behind my body. So I go forward and back. Then you step out and bring everything back together. Step out and bring everything back together. Whilst you're doing that stepping out, you roll the wrists and down, roll the wrists down. So the chorus goes there, roll, and forward, and back, and forward, and back, and roll, and roll. Then you push the hip forward and step out at the same time. Push the hip forward and step out at the same time. Whilst you're doing that movement with the hips, you're taking the opposite arm up and out. Then you go to the side, fling, and then it goes back to this movement. And roll. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll. And push, and over to the side. And flick, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll. One more section to learn. And in this bit, you go down and up, and down and up. Other side, and up, and down, and up. Later in the song, that section repeats. And the second time through, you go down and up, and down, and up, and down. Another one, up. And then you have fun throwing it away, then going down and up. So instead of doing 2, we're doing 3 to the side, and up, and throw, and throw, and throw, and throw. You know all the routine now, all the steps. So you just need to put it together, practice to the music, and I'll see you in class soon. Take care.